Defying gravity, SpaceX's Falcon 9 rocket launches 23 new Starlink satellites. Today, we bear witness to another significant leap in space exploration. SpaceX's Falcon 9 rocket soars towards the sky, carrying 23 new Starlink satellites. From the launch site at Cape Canaveral, the rocket ascends, painting a smoky trail across the blue canvas of the Florida sky. Inside the rocket, the 23 Starlink satellites await their crucial mission, set to expand the boundaries of global internet coverage. As the rocket reaches its peak, it deploys the Starlink satellites, each gliding into its designated orbit with precision and grace. Back on Earth, we marvel at the spectacle. The launch of these 23 satellites marks a new chapter in connectivity. In a world growing more digital every day, SpaceX continues to push the envelope, paving the way for universal internet access.